everybody. Okay, so this month, if you go to Unreal and you go to free free for the month, you're gonna get these. Go get them. They're awesome. You start off with like these Undead pack, which is like a whole bunch of cool models and stuff. Looking pretty cute. Looking pretty cool. Very stylized. But you can get some really cool things with this, and later they actually give you like cool animations for zombies. So this could all work together, people. This look good. Rigged to epic skeleton, yes. So you can use like pretty much any animations, or you can retarget them. This is really damn cool. There's a couple of them, and they come with animations and stuff. So it's looking pretty good. They're cool figures. They're pretty damn cool figures. You can see them over there. All kinds of different poses, different styles, different things. I mean, that's looking pretty cool. Yeah. They're pretty cool looking them creature they is. So this is pretty cool. And they do come with animations and stuff, so that's pretty cool. I mean, if you're looking to make some kind of cool stylized cartoon or something, I mean, this could be... Look at him go, bro. Look at him go. Very cartoony, very cool, but very nice, man. The next one is this like pumpkin set. I mean, it is going to be Halloween soon, and these pumpkin look good. These pumpkin look good. So quite happy with those, actually. These look, this is all you get. I mean, okay, you can't see it from there, but the ground, some plants, some cool little things, and you can make a nice little scenery with this. But I do like these pumpkin. These pumpkin look good. These pumpkin look good. The next thing is pretty cool. Advanced AI spawn system. So completing your AI level for the world. One blueprint for the entire level. This is pretty cool. Immediate see results. You can do like cool spawning. You can spawn some cool things here. You can see you can probably put a lot of stuff around AI, so it means that they've got a bit of logic built into them and stuff. But this is actually pretty damn cool. More for if you need to know the engine a little bit more. But if you know the engine and you're quite good with things and you want to start making a bit of logic and spawn multiple characters and things, they're looking good. They're looking good. Say the box is probably where you put them. This is fantastic, man. I really like it a lot. This is nice. Look at that. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Then you get zombie animations. This is cool. I'm happy they gave us this. You know, Halloween's around the corner, people. Maybe there's some cool things that you can start doing with them. So I'm happy about this. This is really cool, and this is something that I would use. I would use this. I like making like little videos and little, scenes and stuff, and this is looking good. So this is a whole bunch of them cool animations. They've done them pretty cool too. They look pretty cool, but like, like when you see one of those screens when you play a game and you see the front screen and it's okay, that's a little odd, isn't it? A little odd. But you can have a cool idle stage and you can make something really cool out of this. So I don't know what's going on there though. What is that? What's going on here? What's up with the leg, man? I don't know, man. Anyway. Probably gonna have to give it a go and see what's happening in there. And then you get this Behemoth. This is ridiculous. This is like another mega bundle that we got like last month, and these things are insane. Look at the stuff you get from this stuff. It is insane. So you get the assets to create all of this kind of stuff. It is ridiculous. This is awesome because you get so many assets to build pretty much whatever you want to build. Any kind of environment, any kind of feeling, any kind of mood. You've got an asset and they all work together beautifully. I mean, look at this. It's insane what they give you. Damn epic. So really loving this kind of stuff, man. This is just ace. This is a ton of cool assets that you can put together. Kind of, if you have an imagination, you can put together something really nice with this. So this, I am very, very pleased, very happy with the things, ja. Das ist schon, das ist sehr gut, das ist krass, oder? So, a little bit of gore, a little bit of horror. You want to do a cool horror stage, look at it. Damn blood, okay? Damn blood is in there. And then, remember, those are in the free for the month, but when you go to permanently free, they always chuck one in there. And today it's Fantastic Village Pack, which is kind of cool. I mean, you can make, once again, sticking to the theme of stylized, you get a bunch of really cool assets that you can create a very cool stylized scene with. So, once again, pretty cool. Happy with these kind of things. It doesn't reload anyway. But you can create some very, very cool things in this. And this is quite cool. Very happy with it. This is another one for that big bunk thing, which is absolutely the same. And the things you can create is awesome. So once again, even if you don't use them, go get them. They're free because you never know. Maybe later on you think, or something happens and it's like, oh, I've got to build in Unreal or whatever. Or you one day you think, oh, let me work in Unreal. Let me try it. Even if you're not working in Unreal right now, go get the assets. They're free, 100% free, and you start building an amazing library. And if they're not made by Epic like most of these, then you can import them into other programs and use them. Guys, girls, they're free. Go get them. It's amazing, these things, and it's motion capture, it's systems. Some things can only be used in Unreal, sure, but go get them. They're amazing. Sorry this video is late. I've been away for a while, but anyway, get the assets. All right, guys, I hope you have a good one, and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.